Hi there, Campbell Hawkins here from TradingSystemsRadio.com. Today I want to walk you through Forex Income Engine 2.0, the new Forex trading course that hit the market in early 2009 from Bill Pollis and his team at Profits Run. We're going to give you an inside sneak peek at the course itself. You can see in front of you now it's the physical course, but there's also an online version with the exact same material, and we were given access to it by Bill and his team there at Profits Run in the last few weeks, and have learnt the course and reviewed it, and going to show you some of the trades that we've picked out ourselves, along with a really good bonus for those of you who are looking to pick up Forex Income Engine in the future if they do another release. I know the first one was limited, so let's hope they open it up to a few more students in the future. So let's take a look inside the course. Here you've got a screenshot from one of the trading methods they teach, and as a matter of fact all the trading methods have the same shot here, where we can see here this is the ignition method, and they show this puzzle where they break up the trade into 4 different parts. First part being setup conditions, second entry rules, third initial stop rules, and fourth exit strategy rules. So I've gone through each of the methods, and I can tell you that the way they do it is very easy. It makes it really easy to learn. You can see down here on the left hand side you've got some introductory screens, and then you've got a bunch of screens and charts that have videos of the uptrend strategy for this method, and then you've got this exact same thing for the downtrend as well. So and the uptrend and the downtrend are pretty much exactly opposite each other, and not a lot other than that changes. What else can I tell you? I mean, so they've got a lot of modules down here, but some of them are very short. Some of them do have charts which actually really do tie everything together, and others just have in a PowerPoint method with Bill talking over them. So the way they do it online in particular is very professional, I must say. So let's have a look at the overdrive method. So this is one of the 3 methods they teach in the course, and this is a trade I found on the Euro US dollar 5-minute chart. Let's break it up for you. I'll put some names against these arrows and lines. So first thing here is based on their 4 indicators they use to determine the entry point, along with unconventional trading methods that they teach in the course. We found that the overdrive, I found that the overdrive method gave me an entry point at the bottom of this bar here, and then based on their methods again, the stop loss was set here initially as the trade started, and the trade would have progressed up here nicely and into this second bar here. You can see here we've got 2 arrows, and this is the this signifies how I would have moved the stop loss up during the trade. So I would have moved it up a bit closer to the entry point here, and then I would have moved it up again, which makes it a free trade, and it's past the entry point as you see here. Here's another arrow, and let's put a name to that. So this is where we'd exit the first half of the trade. So the trade breaks up into 2 parts. So for example, if you're trading 1 lot, so you'd exit half a lot here and let the other half run. So exiting this here, the bar moves up here, and it's onto the this bar here. Nothing happens here, but on the following bar we've hit another line, which, let's put a label against it. This is where we're exiting the second half of the trade, and so we've taken a small profit here, and we've taken an even bigger, we'll double that here. So the way they do the trades is they try and eliminate risk, and you can see here the stop loss is fairly tight, and they bring it up tight as well during the trade. There is one other arrow here, and this is the ignition setup. So this just goes to show how quickly these trades can form after each other. So as we saw here, we entered the trade here on the overdrive method. So this is a 5-minute chart, so these are 5-minute bars: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So you've got another trade entry here after 60 minutes, and you've already had 1 trade, so it's pretty good going. So let's have a look at that ignition setup in detail. So here we've got the lines again, so I'm going to put some labels against them. This is the arrow was pointing to this bar here, and we would have entered the trade around about here on this second bar here. You can see here we've got a stop loss again down here. It's a bit tighter this time based on the rules of this particular method, and you can see the arrows going up, 1, 2. So during this trade we move the arrows up, or we move the stop loss up twice. This first one below the entry point and the second one just coming up above the entry point. But as you see, the trade moves pretty quickly, and the first half of the trade would have been exited here at the bottom of this bar, and then it's the bar after, drops down a bit, but it picks up, and we would have exited the second half of the trade on this bar. So let's have a look at the spring method. So this is the final of the 3 methods, and you can see here that we would have entered the trade around about here. You know the drill now. Stop loss set up here, so it's a bit further away in this instance, and you can see that it drops down fairly quickly again. 2 big drops to take you to break even. But as you can see, the trade's going in the right direction, and we'd exit the first half of the trade here, and we'd exit the second half of the trade on this bar here. I mean, I know I haven't given you the exact methods of the course, but I mean that's why Bill and his team want you to take part in their learning environment and learn it from them, where you get all the details and you can do it properly. Right, so let's move on and have a look at that bonus I was telling you about. So from my point of view, this is an unbeatable bonus. They're due to release Forex Income Engine 2.0 at some time in the future. It'll be a limited release again, no doubt, and I've got a funny feeling that it will be sooner rather than later, possibly this year. So if you're thinking about buying or ordering Forex Income Engine and becoming one of their students, then make sure you subscribe on the form to the right of this video, and we will send you our Unbeatable bonus as soon as that course launches. Alright, thanks for watching, and good luck, happy trading.